Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to look at a very interesting scenario for EURUSD that I have shared during morning, and the topic for today will be how can you execute a complex signal with higher odds on our side. So this is a very interesting topic. We have to know all the time that we can face the bullish and the bearish scenarios. These are very complex scenarios like the one that I have shared. We have to know in advance if you are going to be bullish or bearish on the trade, and after that how we can initiate the trade with higher odds on our side. So we need only higher chances, so we cannot be 100% right all the time. So let's go on our chart as beginning. This is a trading scenario that I'm actually looking at, but let's see what is happening on the higher time frames. So as we know from the daily time frame, we can see that price is still above this channel. This is the channel that we are looking at. It looks very interesting how the price is actually developing here. It keeps rising, however it will come a moment of time that the price needs to correct, because from bottom to top we can see that price increased by approximately 1000 pips, so it has to correct at moment of time. So what is going to happen during this the next week? On Wednesday we are going to have FOMC. It will be on Wednesday, December 14th here. Look at the data. We have Fed interest rate decision, Fed's interest monetary policy statement, economic projection, and the press conference. So overall it will be a very volatile day. That is why we have to be very careful when trading the USD pairs during this moment of time. Also during these days we have seen that all the week most of the market didn't move at all, and only yesterday, because of some USD data related with the job claims, created some volatility. So this volatility already is showing our pattern what we are looking at this right now. So look at what the price is actually testing. We are looking at this area. This is the first structure zone that we are looking at, and this is the second structure zone. Overall the price will face resistance on the upper part of these areas here. That is why we need to be careful. The first one will be close to where the price is right now, 1.06. This is a strong psychological price zone, and the next one is 1.0780. so let's go on the 4-hour time frame what is happening, because we cannot trade on the bigger picture. And on the 4-hour time frame we can actually see that price created these moves. Look at how clear is this move right now. The move is ABC move, ABC move. The problem is that we face two possible scenarios. The first one is that the price may increase the bullish volume. It can bounce above 1.06 and it can continue rise up to the second zone. So this is a possible scenario. And the next one is that we are facing the probability that price is looking at for a double top pattern. Also this pattern has higher chances to happen. If price is going to complete the double top pattern, so let's say the sell-off will be aggressive, we may see the price to come close to 1.0450. that is the lowest base for this structure, and a break lower can push the price down further. So this is what I'm looking at on this area. So let's break it down on a smaller time frame, because we are going to look at how we are going to increase our chances in this trading scenario, because we know what may happen. And look at this moment here. Now the waves are more clear, as we can see. We have an ABC correction at this point. The first move was impulsive, we have impulsive move, and here we had also a small corrective pattern, like a type of running flat pattern here. Just one moment. This is the pattern that we actually had before. 1 minute. And on the other side, the price is creating the same ABC move. Here we have our ABC move. Here we have the A, the B, and the C. So probability is very high that we may see a corrective move again, and the price can come down with another possible ABC move. So at least this is what I'm looking at here. What we may do right now is this part. We can never know in advance if price is going to come down or if price is going to move higher. However, if you want to stay on the bullish side and you are supporting the idea that euro is going to lose volume, euro USD is going to increase the bullish volume, we have to wait for the price to break through 1.06. It needs to correct close to this area, so this is what we are actually looking at. We need to wait for the price correction, and after that moment we can initiate the trade. At least we are going to have higher chances once the price will create this move. So the move will be above a retest, and after that it should continue. Even if we are going to lose this trade, at least we are going to jump with higher odds on our side. So this is how we are going to initiate the bullish trade. The problem is that the price is actually creating one wave correction, one wave. It can face support on this part of the structure and it can rise. That is why we have to wait for that area. Also, the upper part is showing very strong resistance on the other side, so we cannot jump only on the small part here to buy right now, because the price may lose volume and it can dump. So that is why we have to wait. On the other hand, what I would like to wait for the short scenario is this scenario here, that I would like to see the price to create a solid movement down, a small correction, and after that we can take in consideration to sell for the bearish move. So we need to see the first move here and a type of correction like this one. Probably we may see like this move, the first one and correction. We need the first one, correction, and after that we can jump for the sell. These are two possible ways that we may take this trade. For aggressive traders, price is in the moment of time that it is testing this area, the support area close to 1.0550. So who is still aggressive and bullish on the buy, those traders like to buy right now in order to anticipate the bullish wave, and who is going to trade in an aggressive way for the sell is anticipating the double top. They are just selling here in order to anticipate the bearish wave. However, we are dealing with two possible scenarios. The two first that I explained are conservative scenarios, and the aggressive scenarios are for more aggressive styles. So hope you guys enjoyed this information. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future content. Thank you. Bye bye.